Hi guys, today we'll push Notion into Google Sheets with Integrately. Great if you like tracking or reporting your Notion data in spreadsheets. First head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. Let's get started. Search and select Notion as your first app, then choose Google Sheets as your second. From the one-click automations in Integrately, pick Create Google Sheets row for new Notion database item and click Activate. I've also added the direct link in the description so you can try it instantly. Next, connect your Notion account, making sure to grant access to the correct pages. Then, select the database that will trigger the automation. Now connect your Google Sheets account. Once authorized, choose the spreadsheet and worksheet where your data should be added. In the Builder, set up the search criteria by selecting a column and mapping the search text. Then map the data into the columns you'd like to populate. Finally, switch on Test and Turn On to activate your automation. Once confirmed, every new Notion database item will automatically create a row in Google Sheets through Integrately. And done. Notion to Google Sheets set up in minutes thanks to Integrately. Like, subscribe, and use the description link to try it yourself.